Still showing your project timelines in plain tables? Let's change that. In this video, I'll show you how to create a beautiful, dynamic timeline chart in Excel. Perfect for projects, product launches, or event planning. Let's jump right in. First, let's set up our data, because a great chart starts with great structure. Here's our example, a list of tasks, each with a date or time period. In column C, we'll enter height values, alternating between positive and negative. This helps space out the tasks so they don't overlap. You can tweak these values later, to move labels up or down easily. Now, let's bring this data to life. Select the date and height columns. Then go to the Insert tab, Column or Bar Chart, and pick 2D Column Chart. Don't worry about the look yet, we'll polish it soon. Next, we'll add task names as data labels. Click the small plus icon beside your chart, now click the arrow next to data labels, and choose more options. Select value from cells, highlight the task names from column A. And hit OK. Now uncheck values so only the task names remain, no numbers. This instantly makes the chart readable. Here's where the magic happens. We'll turn those solid bars into timeline lines. Click any column and go to Format. Shape Fill, set No Fill. Now, click Chart Elements again, choose Error Bars, and go to More Options. In the right panel, select Minus Direction, No Cap, Error Amount set percentage 100%. Nice! We've just replaced chunky bars with clean connecting lines. Let's polish it up. Delete the chart title, grid lines, and vertical axis, we don't need them. Now, remove the chart border by going to Format, Shape Outline, No Outline. It gives a clean, embedded look. Next, click on the horizontal axis. Go to Shape Outline, choose Black. Then wait, set 3 points to make it stand out. If you want a stylish touch, go to Shape Outline, Arrows, and choose Right Arrow. That makes the timeline feel like it's moving forward, a great visual cue. Want to move a label higher or lower? Simply tweak its height value in column C, Excel adjusts it instantly. And that's it. You've built a professional Excel timeline chart perfect for project tracking, presentations, or milestone visuals. If this helped, hit like, share it with your Excel buddies, and don't forget to subscribe.